Hi kids. Kids, we will trace alphabets A, B, C, D and numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's learn colors name. Orange color, blue color, green color, pink color, red color, brown color, pink color, violet color, sky blue color, black color, green color, yellow color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A. This is letter B. B. Kids, we are tracing letter C. This is letter D. Kids, this is letter E. Kids, now we are tracing letter F. This is letter G. G. A. B. This is letter C. Now we are tracing letter D. Kids, this is letter E. Now we are tracing letter F. Kids, this is letter G. Pink color 1. Green color 2. This is number 3. Number 4. This is number 5. Now we are tracing number 6, 7, 8. Kids, this is number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number 9. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Numbers 1 ONE 1, 2 TWO 2, 3 THREE 3, 4 FOUR 4, 5 FIVE 5, 6 SIX 6, 7 SEVEN 7, 8 EIGHT 8, 9 NINE 9. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.